Hi, I'm Jason M. Delica. I'm here in Helen's store. I will interview about her managing her store. This is the question. Number 1 question. What strategy that you do if your customer had buy or not buy?
My strategy to my customer, I will give some discount to them so we can buy our product or our new product.
Second question. Why sari-sari store that you choose?
Because sari-sari store, it's easy to establish.
Third question. What do you do if your customer had want utang?
I will give, but I will choose the good person.
Fourth question. When you started in your sari-sari store?
Since 1996.
Fifth question. What you always buy or sell?
In my sari-sari store, our first important, the good needed in our, the first needed in our home.
Sixth question. What do you say in your customer had buy?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Seventh question. What do you feel if your customer not buy?
Well, it's okay to me because we will not please to them to buy our product.
Eighth question. What advice that you gave to all people had a sari-sari store?
Well, if you want to build a sari-sari store, first, you know how to managing this.
Ninth question. What advice that you gave to me?
If you want to build a sari-sari store, you must know how to manage your sari-sari store.
10th question. What if you had us choose? What do you choose? Your sari-sari store or your work?
Of course, my sari-sari store. Because of my sari-sari store, I can build my families to become a good businessman, businesswoman someday.
11th question. What your first priority in your sari-sari store?
My first priority, I want to choose the good customer because my motto is customer is always right.
12th question. What is your other ambition otherwise to your sari-sari store?
Nothing.
Thank you.